Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the confusing language of big business. Today we're diving into a report from SB Financial Group, Incorporated. What looks like a pretty standard update actually hides a small but important development for shareholders. So what is SB Financial Group Incorporated? They are a financial holding company and they operate through a bank called SB Financial Bank. Basically, they are a regional bank with a presence in Ohio. This kind of company is usually pretty straightforward in their filings. They are incorporated in Ohio and have been around for a while. Their main stock symbol is SBFG on the Nasdaq Capital Market. Now, let's get straight to the meat of this report. This filing is primarily about a regulatory disclosure, specifically something called Regulation FD disclosure. This means they are releasing information to everyone at the same time to ensure fairness in the market. It is like making sure no one gets a secret heads up before the public. The big news here is about dividends. The company's board of directors has decided to give shareholders a little something extra. They've declared a quarterly dividend of 15.5 cents per share. This means if you own shares of SBFG, you'll be receiving this amount for every share you hold. Now, when do you get this money? The dividend will be paid out on the 27th of February 2026. But there is a catch. You need to be a shareholder on record by the 13th of February 2026. So if you buy shares after the 13th of February, you won't get this particular dividend payment. It is important to know these dates. Let's talk a bit about their shares. They have common shares and they have a lot of them. As of the 23rd of January 2026, there were over 6.2 million shares outstanding. This is the total number of shares that exist and are available for trading on the stock market. An interesting point here is that this document does not really contain any complex financial tables or detailed performance metrics. It is more of a notification about a business decision rather than a deep dive into their financial health. The report is signed off by Anthony V. Cosentino, who is the Chief Financial Officer. This is standard practice, showing that the company's financial leadership is aware of and responsible for the information being reported. So, what is the story here? SB Financial Group Incorporated is a pretty straightforward regional bank. Their latest report isn't filled with wild financial ups and downs or dramatic strategic shifts. Instead, it focuses on a concrete action that directly benefits their shareholders. The declaration of a quarterly dividend is generally a positive sign. It suggests that the company is profitable enough to share some of its earnings with its investors. For a company like SB Financial Group Incorporated, which operates in a stable, though sometimes competitive, banking sector, consistent dividends can be a way to attract and retain investors who are looking for steady income. However, it is essential to remember that dividends are not the only indicator of a company's health. While this dividend is a nice perk, it doesn't tell us much about the bank's overall financial performance, its loan portfolio quality, or its growth prospects in the current economic climate. In a nutshell, this isn't a report that reveals a hidden gem or a major red flag. It is more of a routine update that highlights a shareholder-friendly move looking ahead for SB Financial Group Incorporated. The key will be how they continue to manage their operations and navigate the banking landscape. Sustaining profitability to maintain these dividend payments while also growing the business will be their ongoing challenge. The banking industry is always subject to interest rate changes and regulatory shifts, which are external factors they will need to manage. This dividend, while welcome, is just one small piece of their overall financial picture. Alright, that is our breakdown of SB Financial Group Incorporated's latest filing. What is your take on dividends and what they signify for a company like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description for more community discussions. Thanks for watching, see you next time.